Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to पढ़िए with प्राची. आज हम पढ़ने जा रहे हैं चैप्टर 7 कोऑर्डिनेट ज्योमेट्री क्लास 10 CPSE NCERT मैथमेटिक्स. So let's get into it. So let's start with this chapter 7 coordinate geometry. So we've already studied in a previous class that the distance of a point, so for example there's a point x comma y, from the distance of the point from y-axis, right? So this point, distance of the point from y-axis, this is known as abscissa, okay, and also x coordinate. And the distance of the point from x-axis, this is the distance of the point from y-axis, this is the distance of the point from x-axis, is known as y coordinate and or ordinate. So this is something which we have already studied, right? So we also studied in the previous chapters on polynomials, right? We saw that how a linear equation or a linear polynomial y is equal to ax plus b, when we plot on it, it's a straight line. Then we also saw a quadratic polynomial like ax square plus bx plus c, how it formed a parabola on the graphically, right? Now whether the parabola is inverse, reverse, how the shape depends on the coordinates, depends on the coefficients a and b, right? And similarly we also saw for a cubic polynomial as well. So what is coordinate geometry? So coordinate geometry has been developed as an algebraic tool for studying geometry of figures. It helps us to study geometry using algebra and understand algebra with the help of geometry, right? Because of this, the applications, right, of coordinate geometry are various. It's used in fields of physics, engineering, navigation. Navigation is like too much. Seismology. Seismology is what? Earthquakes, and that's the first thing that comes to mind, right? And even art. And art is like, yes, you have to draw it, you have to see the contours. In fact, even if you want to draw the human face or the human body, you need to know the distances between the various points, the sizes, all of those things, right? So it's not just a nerdy or a engineering kind of subject, it is also in artistic as well. So so the agenda of this chapter is to find the distance between the 2 points, right, whose coordinates are given. So we'll be given coordinates of points, right? So if coordinates of 2 points are given, the distance between them. If the coordinates of 3 points are given, the area of the triangle for 3 given points. Now it could also be the reverse, that we are finding the coordinates of, like, so there's a line segment, we know the coordinates of this and this and this, AB. So we have to find a coordinate of a third point which is on this line segment, right? So these are the 3 topics that we're going to study in this chapter. So let's move on to the first topic, which is the distance formula, right? So just listen to this, what I'm saying. A town B, so there is a town which is located 36 kilometer east and 15 kilometer north of a town A. So सिंपल एक A है, उससे 15 किलोमीटर नॉर्थ is a town B, right? And it's also saying it's 36 kilometers to the east, right? So this point exists. So what is the distance between these 2 points? We know by Pythagoras theorem it's 36 square plus 15. 36 square plus 15 square का root. That's AB by Pythagoras theorem, which we have already studied, right? Now suppose there are 2 points lying on the x-axis, right? There's a point 4 comma 0 and 6 comma 0. What is the distance between them? It is so we know what is OA. OA is 4. What is OB? OB is 6. So AB is 2. Simple, right? Similarly, what is the distance? What is CD? OC is 3. OD is 8. So CD is 5. Okay. So this is very simple when they are on the axis. What about when they are not on the axis? There's a point 4 comma 6 and a point 6 comma 8. So what do we do is we join this here. We bring it here first, right? So what will this point be? I hope you understand how these are this, right? Now let's make a line perpendicular here. So these are obviously lines which I've drawn as perpendicular. PR, QS, right? And I have also drawn a line like this. Sorry, this is T. So on PT perpendicular on QS. So we know what is RS, right? It is 2. How do we know that? OR is 4, OS is 6. So RS is 6 minus 4, 2. We know this is 2, right? Similarly, what is this? TS. We know TS is 8 minus 6, 2. I think this is wrong what we just did. So RS we know is 2, right? What is QS? QS we know is 8. What is PR? PR we know is 6, right? So this point, when we draw this also QS is 8. TS, this is also 6. So this is 6, this whole is 8, so this is 2, right? So we know this is 2, this is 2, and PQ would then be, by Pythagoras theorem, 2 square plus 2 square, 4 plus 4, 8, which is 2 root 2. Got it? I hope you got it. So if we are just denoting it like this, what is PQ? PQ is this. This is known as the distance formula. Right? Now, for example, this point P. Right? So what we want to find this point's distance from the origin. So we want to find OP. So then what will OP be? x2 square plus x1 square plus x2 y1 square, right? How is that basically what is this? We are saying the two. I hope you understood what is this, right? This is what we did here, right? ऐसे ही किया हमने यहाँ पे. Okay, let me just try to explain a little bit more. Just a second. Just give me a moment. So we have drawn PR perpendicular. So first point is we have drawn PR perpendicular to x-axis, QS perpendicular to x-axis, PT perpendicular to QS, right? Right? Now what is OR? I'm taking you step by step. OR is the distance of the point this from the origin, which we know is what? x1. What is OS? OS is x2. What is RP? RP is y1. What is SQ? SQ is y2. Now, so what is RS? X2 minus x1. And what is RS is x2 minus x1, which is also equal to what? PT. This, right? This and this are equal. And what is this? QT क्या है? QT is QS minus TS. What is TS? RP. Y2 minus Y1. QT is Y2 minus Y1 and PT is X2 minus X1. QT and PT we know. So what is PQ? This, by Pythagoras theorem. So this is what is known as the distance formula. I showed you the formula first and then explained it to you, right? So now if we want to find, suppose we want to find OP. In this we are finding PQ. What is OP? Origin. Origin के coordinates are 0, 0 and P के coordinates are x1, y1. So now we'll put that here in the distance formula, right? So it will be x1 minus 0 the whole square plus y1 minus 0 the whole square. Net what is OP? It is x1 square plus y1 square, right? Now you can also write this as x1 minus x2 square plus y1 minus y2 square. It doesn't make a difference. You know why, right? It's because it's being squared. Now there is one more thing. It's a square root. So square root can be positive, can be negative, but we are always going to pick the positive in this case because what are we doing? We are finding the distance, right? So that is what we are doing. Okay, so we have been giving these 3 points, right? We have to figure out whether they form a triangle or not, right? So let's assume this is P, Q and R. So let's find out PQ first. Basically we'll find out this, right? We'll find out this. So what will this be? PQ will be what? 3 minus minus 2 is 3 plus 2 ka square plus 2 minus minus 3 is 2 plus 3 ka square, which is what? Root 50, right? Approx कर दिया हमने इसका. Now what is QR? Minus 2 minus 2. So it's minus 4 ka square plus minus 3 is minus 6 ka square. So 4 ka square 16, 16 plus 36, 12, 4, 5. Root 52. Root 52 again 7.4930, 7.2. 7 point something basically, right? ये इससे तो बड़ा है, ये तो हमको पता है. This is greater than this. Now PR 3 minus 2 1 square plus 2 minus 3 1 square, मतलब minus 1 square, basically root 2. So what is root 2? We know 1.414, right? So if we take any two sides, this plus this is greater than this plus this is greater than this. Okay, PQ plus QR greater than PR. QR plus PR greater than PQ. PQ plus PR greater than QR, right? So hence they form a triangle. Okay? So hopefully you understood the concepts that I taught today. They made sense to you. And let me know if you have any questions, comments, queries in the comment section below, or email them to my Gmail ID and we can take it up from there. Till then, Seekhiye with Prachi, Jaaniye with Prachi and Padhiye with Prachi. Also, like, share, comment and subscribe to my YouTube channel.